Hey all, welcome back to my channel, 1000 Little Miracles. In this video, I'll show you how I made my first clay fridge magnet. Hope you will love it. I have selected a simple but elegant design for this project. Let's enjoy. The process is super easy and satisfying. I have enjoyed a lot. I also have a very exciting project coming next week, so make sure to subscribe. Our DIY project is almost finished. Let's start coloring it. Apply gesso or white acrylic color first. Then color all the parts as I'm showing. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support would be very much appreciated. After drying acrylic color, don't forget to apply varnish on it. Isn't it pretty easy and beautiful? Let me know in the comment box. I'm attaching the magnet with air dry clay. You can use a strong glue also. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.